Hello everyone, good morning. So till last class we have been discussing about the array data structure. This week our focus is on algorithms in general. Let's begin by defining an algorithm. So the algorithm definition, I think everybody knows the definition of an algorithm. It's a step-by-step procedure to solve any computational problem. So writing an algorithm will be for solving a problem. So what you will do is you will write a procedure in that there will be multiple steps, and first step followed by the second step and so on. So you will develop a procedure in a step by step manner, and that forms your algorithm. What about a program? A program written in any programming language. A program is also a step by step procedure to solve a problem. Then can you tell me what's the difference between an algorithm and a program? Let's see some of the differences between an algorithm and a program. You can see that algorithms are written in the design phase of a solution to a problem, whereas a program is written at the implementation stage of a problem. So whenever you try to solve a problem, you try to have a design of the solution. The solution is designed in such a way that you will go for a step by step procedure to solve that, and that forms your algorithm. Program is written while a program is written in the implementation stage. So you have designed your solution. Once the design is okay, multiple times you check your design and you verified that your design is correct, then you go for the implementation. At the implementation stage, you write it or you convert your algorithm to a program. The design of an algorithm, or for writing an algorithm, domain knowledge is required. So an algorithm can be written by anybody. There is no restriction that an algorithm, for writing an algorithm, it should be a programmer. It can be anybody who knows the domain. He can develop an algorithm, whereas a program is written by a programmer who has the knowledge of various constructs and statements in a particular programming language. So that does not mean that for a programmer the domain knowledge is not at all required, but even without knowing the domain, a programmer may be able to convert an algorithm to a program. Another difference is that an algorithm can be written in any language. For our sake of simplicity, we may write it in C-like code, but any language will do. Even in plain English, you can write an algorithm. It should be readable. That's it. Whereas a program is written in a programming language. So for writing a program, the person who is writing the program should have a knowledge in a particular programming language, so that he will select the corresponding statements, the programming language constructs, etc.